Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell phones on Facebook Marketplace. First, ensure your phone is ready for sale by backing up all personal data and performing a factory reset. This protects your privacy. Next, give the device a thorough cleaning, making it look its best. Gather any original accessories like the charger or box, as these add value. Finally, capture at least 5 clear, well-lit photos from different angles to showcase its condition accurately. Now, let's create your compelling listing. Write a detailed description, honestly noting the phone's model, storage, and any minor cosmetic imperfections. Transparency builds trust. Research similar phones on Marketplace to set a competitive price. Aim for about 10 to 15% below retail for used devices in excellent condition. Select the correct categories and add relevant tags like unlocked or iPhone to help buyers find your listing easily. When buyers start messaging, respond promptly and politely. Always arrange to meet in a safe, public place, like a coffee shop or police station during daylight hours. This significantly enhances your safety. Never share excessive personal details. Be cautious of buyers offering over your asking price or requesting unusual payment methods, such as gift cards or wire transfers, as these are common scam indicators. Trust your instincts. To finalize the sale, prioritize secure payment. Cash is often preferred, but if using digital methods, ensure the funds are fully cleared before handing over the phone. Allow the buyer a few minutes to inspect the device and confirm it meets their expectations. Once payment is confirmed and the buyer is satisfied, the transaction is complete. A simple written receipt stating the item and price can be a good practice for both parties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.